In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add echo, delay, and reverb in Audacity, whether you're looking to enhance your podcast recordings or experiment with music production. Understanding how to effectively use these effects can make a significant difference to your audio projects. Let's dive right into the process and make your audio sound more dynamic and professional. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once you're in the software, you have a couple of options to get started. Either record your voice directly into Audacity or upload an existing audio track that you want to work on. After your audio is loaded, listen through it and identify the specific segment where you'd like to add echo, delay, or reverb. Once you've done that, use your mouse to select that portion of the audio track. Now for the fun part, adding the effects. Head over to the Effects tab located at the top of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, find and click on the delay and reverb options. Here you'll see several choices including delay, echo, and reverb. If you're interested in adding just a delay, take a moment to explore the options. You'll see things like the regular delay, bouncing ball, and reverse bouncing ball. Feel free to experiment with these to find the one that best suits your creative vision. You can also adjust other settings like the pitch and tempo, which are represented by blue icons. These will allow you to fine-tune how the delay sounds in your specific audio track. If echo is what you're after, stay in the effects menu. Navigate back to delay and reverb and this time select echo from the drop-down. Here you'll have the opportunity to adjust the delay in seconds, a crucial setting for timing your echo just right. Don't forget about the decay factor, also known as the decay factor. This will control how long your echo lasts, allowing you to create anything from a subtle ambiance to a dramatic, cavernous effect. Make adjustments until you're satisfied with the new texture of your audio. Finally, for those who want to add some reverb, revisit the Effects tab one last time. Find Delay and Reverb again, and select Reverb. This feature offers a variety of factory presets for you to explore, such as acoustics that mimic an intimate room to settings as vast as a big cave. These presets can be quite useful as they provide different environments that can enhance the mood and depth of your recording. Adjust the blue icons here to personalize the reverb effect even further. And there you have it. That's how you can add echo, delay, and reverb in Audacity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on new uploads. Happy editing!